You want to know this oversized zipper tote? How? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today, let's learn the practice of zipper handbags. Do it today with this thick canvas. Length 55, width 36 centimeters. First we will fold the bag in half. Draw a 6 by 5 centimeters rectangle. Cut out these two pieces. After cutting, it looks like this. We turn it on. Measure 12 centimeters from the edge. Measure 7 centimeters from the top to the bottom. Here is the location of the fixed bag belt. The following three are the same way to mark. After the bag tape is marked, put it aside for later use. Let's make the straps first. 9 centimeters wide, length 42. We'll fold it in half and then fold it again. Directly like this. Both are the same method. After the car number, we fold it in end like this. Put it where we marked it. So like this. The 8th floor can be easily passed. The remaining three have the same decision as him. After the bag strap is fixed, we will zip it up. Weave the mouth 7 centimeters inward and sit on the mark. The zipper starts from this position. This position ends. The zipper length is 32 centimeters. Wrap this zipper head like this. Sew first gear. After the car number, we just turn it over like this. Turn it over and tidy it up. Then put this car on line. Zipper head on the other side. We fold it down. Fix it with a machine. The zipper head is done like this. Now let's zip it up. The zipper rider's place is marked from us. 7 centimeters inward from the edge. Car here. The edge is 7 centimeters in. When the car arrives at this place, this zipper turns directly like this. The other side does the same thing as him. Take out our insides after both sides are ready. Inside and watch face to face directly on the car. Zipper mouth after the inner number is on. In this way, there is a clear line of 0.1 on the car. It's the same on both sides. Same thing on the other side. The zipper car has a bright wire, and then we turn it over. Inside is opposite to inside. The watch part is opposite to the watch part. In this way, the car comes here and leaves a turn. Take a look at this machine. The car sews very smoothly. After the car number, and we pull the 4 corners like this. Car down. All 4 corners are the same method. After the car number, we're going to dig it out through this left flap. After turning it over, so the turn on his car. Turn it over and sort it out. Pinch this corner and measure 6 centimeters from top to bottom. Sit on the mark. The rest is the same method. Then the bright line of 0.3 on the car. The same method for the remaining 3 corners. So our bags are ready. Open it and take a look. The capacity is still very large. You can fit a water glass, card bag, change bag, cell phone, hand cream paper. Thanks for watching and don't forget like and subscribe.